Hey everyone, so today I want to do a little Mother's Day unboxing. I did get some items gifted to me from Dior. The packaging for this season is so beautiful. How gorgeous is this packaging? Like the butterflies, it's just so pretty. Here is the other package, and then I also got a complimentary gift with my purchase, which y'all, mind-blowing. Okay, wait till I show y'all this gift with purchase that I got. So anyway, here are the two packages that I got, and I want to share them with you guys. Like I said, these items were gifted to me by Dior, but I was able to pick the items myself. So Mother's Day is right around the corner, and right now Dior.com has all of their limited edition Mother's Day packages, from makeup to fragrance gift sets. They have fragrance gift sets. You can create your own gift set to make it more custom. They also offer complimentary personalization, so you can get your perfume bottle personalized with your name or the special mother in your life. You can put their name on it, and that is available on some makeup items, perfume. They also have the Miss Dior bow that you can get your initials on, which is really cute too. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the items that I received because I'm so excited. So I'm gonna start with this one here. And y'all know I keep all of my Dior boxes. I have a collection now, and they're just so cute. So this is just my receipt. I did do a card this time. Anytime you order on Dior.com, at the end they ask you if you want to do box, or if you just want to do like a traditional Dior box, or if you want to do one of the like specialty boxes. So I chose the specialty boxes, and I also chose to put a little message in here. So it comes in a Dior envelope, and you just open it, and I just put Happy Mother's Day, but you can put whatever you want in it, but I just put Happy Mother's Day. So that is the card, and comes in a very chic envelope. And how nice is that on top of your gift? So here are the first items. As you can see, I got some new lippies. So many of you DM'd me and messaged me telling me that Dior had released some new lip glow lip oil colors, and I was all over it. I was like, I already got it in the cart, y'all. I'm gonna show it to y'all soon. And I got them. I got all three, and I'm so excited because y'all know that is my favorite lip oil. I use the Dior lip oils every day. I have several of them in my nightstand. They're in my purse. They're in my bathroom. I'm always using Dior lip glow lip oils. They're my favorite. I have my lip oils here with another little special gift that I got for myself. And then these are samples. So let's get into the Dior Addict Lip Glow lip oils. So let's start with this one in Lemon Glow. So this is Lemon Glow. Just a pretty yellow. This is Lemon Glow, and it looks a little just clear, which I'm fine with that. So that was my first one. The next one is Pink Pop. Oh, she's so pretty. And this one, Pink Pop, so pretty. The last one I got is Splash. So yeah, those are all the shades. They have a little tint. The Pink Pop definitely has more of a tint. So yeah, I got all three of the new shades because I am an addict. These are just the perfect spring shades. Like, how pretty are these? And so luxurious. All right, and then this last item, I was so happy that it was available because these tend to go out of stock pretty fast, and I've been wanting to get one for a very long time, and I finally got one. It's the Dior Addict case in the signature blue Dior fabric. Y'all, I'm obsessed. Now, I just got the case. Since I already had a Dior lipstick, this is in the shade Nude Look. I actually got this personalized with my name, but I thought this case looked cuter and more chic, so I'm going to put my lipstick. I'll show you guys this shade. That's the shade of the lipstick. Very pretty. So I just put my lipstick in there, and you can just buy the refill instead of the whole case and just switch it out whenever you want. So love that, and I just thought that was so nice and so luxurious. I just love Dior's packaging. So yeah, those are my new lip products and accessories. All right, moving on to the next item. It's a fragrance. Can you guys guess which fragrance I got? You already know which one I got. So I got the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet fragrance set. Now this is one of the Mother's Day sets that Dior has right now on Dior.com that you can get. Here is the packaging. So you get the full-size bottle fragrance, which is 3.4 fluid ounce, and then you get the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet little travel spray. This is a refillable travel spray, and it's in the same print as the packaging, y'all. How gorgeous is that? What mom would not just absolutely love this? First of all, this fragrance smells amazing. Like, it is the perfect floral scent, in my opinion. I know floral is not for everyone, but I am definitely a floral girl. So here is the bottle. Oh, just so pretty and just feminine and girly, and I'm wearing this today. Today is Friday. I am picking my son up from school, and he and I are going on a movie date. So this will be my fragrance of the day. I just love it so much. I'm so excited to have a fresh new bottle. If you're looking for a new signature spring summer scent, and if you love soft feminine florals, this is it. This is the one. This is the only fragrance you need for the entire spring and summer. I promise you, you will love this. I'm super excited about this cute travel perfume, little refillable bottle. How does it work? There's nothing. Oh, it's already some in there. Oh, that's perfect. So it comes with the fragrance already in it. I thought I was gonna have to like refill it, but when I'm ready, oh wow, okay. So you just take it out and then you refill it here. So it will take off the top and then you can refill it like that. That is so nice. I am so happy that I ended up getting this set, because I was just going to get the bottle, but then I saw this set, and really what sold me was this cute little packaging. I was like, how cute is that? How cute will that be in my purse? Like, I'm always thinking about how cute something is gonna look in my purse, and it's my favorite perfume. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at this. It says Christian Dior, and then it has this pretty floral and butterfly design. How cute. Those are my new fragrance items. So excited. Now, if you like florals but you want something a little bit more intense, I got you covered. the J'adore Lore, and this fragrance was actually created by none other than Francis Kirkjohn, MFK. He created this scent and it is so nice. It's a very intense floral though, so I like to call this a winter floral scent, but again, you can wear this all year round. But it is very intense and very strong, but it's still soft. It has a very nice softness to it. I also really love this bottle. It looks so good sitting on my sink little vanity area. It's so luxurious. It's such a signature bottle for Dior. I absolutely love it. Like I said, if you're looking for a more sophisticated floral, it has a bit more of a sexiness to it. It's definitely grown woman. It's giving money. Luxury is what this fragrance is all about. So I love this one. Again, great Mother's Day gift for a more mature woman in your life, or even if she's not more mature. It's just a great fragrance and I absolutely love it. So I had to mention it because look, like I said, Mother's Day is coming and we need options, okay? So love this. I'm definitely a floral type girl. That is my personal preference. I love to smell soft, feminine, girly all year round, and so those are my favorite Dior fragrances, hands down. Absolutely love them and will always be a fan. Moving on to my complimentary gift with purchase. Okay, so I am a loyalty member with Dior, and I'm not ashamed of that because I love Dior. But one of the perks of being a loyalty member is that you get more elaborate complimentary gifts with your purchase, and I love that. And right now I think they're doing this until May 1st, so I want to show it to y'all because I'm so excited. Oh, wait till y'all see this. Look at that. Okay, you get a tote bag. Okay, they could have just sent me the tote bag and I would have been so grateful. Okay, so they sent me this super cute tote bag, which I am going to use because if y'all know nothing about me, I love a good tote bag. I'm a mom, so I'm always toting stuff. So here's the tote bag. And then in addition to that, you get the hand balm and you get a Dior Glow lip balm. Like I said, Dior does the best complimentary gifts with purchase. Have y'all ever seen a gift with purchase this good? Oh wait, I have not. Love. If you are a loyalty member with Dior.com, I highly suggest you run and place an order so that you can get this amazing complimentary gift with your purchase. Look at this tote bag, y'all. How cute is this? And it says, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it says Dior here, like in the corners. It says Christian Dior. This is such a nice tote bag. Like for the pool, if you're going on vacation, if you want to just go do some shopping and throw all your stuff in there. So good. And I love this blue. I love the different shades of blue. So pretty. I don't know what this says, but I love the illustration. Just stunning. And before I go, I want to show you guys my little mini samples that I got, which also complimentary on Dior.com. So I got a serum, age defying serum. And I also got a mini Dior Bloomy Bouquet because I'm just obsessed, and these little bottles get me every time. They're so cute. I have a collection of them now. They're so freaking cute. I don't even use them. I just collect them. So cute. So those were the items that I got complimentary with my order. Dior.com is where it's at for the complimentary gifts because they do it like no other. Also, if you spend $130 or more now through June 1st, you will get a complimentary gift using my code that I will leave in a description box below for you guys. But that is what I wanted to share with you guys in my Mother's Day unboxing from Dior. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.